Hey guys, it's Annie here, and today I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home. Now before we get into the video, if you like content like this, please like this video and also subscribe. And without further ado, we'll get into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is trim my nails. And then you can go ahead and put on a few false tips. This is optional. So I just go ahead and measure out the tip that fits my nail, and I set them aside and go on to measure the other ones. Give your nails a quick buff to prepare them for the glue and the tip. You only need a tiny amount of glue on the center of the nail tip, and it should be enough to spread to the edges. Hold it for 30 seconds before you move on to the next one. You can go ahead and trim them down to the length that you like. Now shape your nails with a file, and I am going for a coffin shape here. Make sure to also file the seams so that you get a flat surface for the gel to go on. Then I just push back my cuticles with a cuticle pusher and also trim down some excess skin around my cuticles. It's been a while since I cleaned them up, so. Then I prep my nails with a nail prep. This is optional, but I do think that it makes a huge difference. And now you can move on to the base coat. When working with nail tips, I always use a builder gel. This step is definitely optional, but I just find that the nail glue itself isn't strong enough to hold my nail there for, let's say, 2 or 3 weeks. You can just take a normal file like this and find a shape that you want. So for the other ones, I'm going to use this little drill right here. They come with other drill bits, but this is always the one that I use. And it is a little faster. It's only $16 or something on Amazon. Fairly cheap. Just want to turn this on and start filing away at your nail. I have a OPI, it's called Don't Boss Me Around. It's a pale pink color. So I'm going to have that as a base for all of my nails. And I am going to put on this unicorn dust on all of my nails except for my accent nail here, which I will actually use a combination of caviar and these little diamonds. So this is after 2 coats. I am going to go ahead and apply top coat. What you're going to do is take a little bit of dust, and this goes a long way. So you just want to take a little bit with a Q-tip or even with your fingers, that's fine. Want to dunk it in here and just start rubbing it on your nails. The last step is to just brush your cuticles with some cuticle oil.